Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're up in the middle of nowhere, up the mountains, hiking to a waterfall, huge waterfall.
It's one of the biggest ones in the world. Basically, yeah.
Yeah, it's like a half-hour hike from here, so I guess we'll just check in with you
catch
guys
up
then.
to
Alright, guys, right now we're just like hiking to the waterfall. Got another half hour ahead of us. It's gonna be a long walk. It's mostly uphill. Yeah. Alright, well, just walking right now. It's mostly uphill. Hang on. Holy shit, guys, look what we just found. I just wanted to stop to show you guys the size of this mushroom. Here's my hand in comparison. It's huge.
What the hell is that?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Wait, that's one of those things with all green inside.
Huh.
Wait. Is it right? Is it right?
This forest is crazy. Alright, well, we're gonna keep on walking. We're gonna keep walking.
Alright.
Catch up to you guys later. A wrong turn. We have no idea where we are. We're just walking around. Yeah, mostly in the bushes. Looking for a trail. A little scared right now, but we found a little trail here. Are we? Okay. We're good, but it's just hard out here because no actual trails. So we'll check back with you guys in a bit. It's taking forever. Alright, so we're getting really close. We just found this old riverbed. We're right near the river. Almost there. So probably, hopefully another 5-10 minutes and we'll be there. Alright, guys, we're almost there, but I just wanted to like so many blueberries and huckleberries everywhere. Like, look at the size of these. Alright, guys, we finally made it up here. We had to cut the vlog because it was just taking too long to get up here. But look at that.
Pretty cool view.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Next, we're gonna go down to the lake and just check out there.
We'll catch up to you guys when we get there.
Yeah, we'll catch up to you guys later. Guys, we're back in the canoe right now. We're just, yeah, we've got a half an hour paddle ahead of us.
Ready, John?
We were just on this island here and almost got mauled by a bear. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. We saw like droppings everywhere and found these footprints. It was crazy. Right in that island there. Oh yeah, small island. We're definitely close to it. Alright, so right now we just got off a canoe, stashed it away, and now we're just walking back to the car. Shouldn't be more than a 5-minute hike. But yeah, we got like an hour drive ahead of us. I'll catch up with you guys later. Yeah, we just got back from the mountain, from the hike. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and yes, stay tuned for the next video where we're doing Fruit Ninja. Yeah. So, yeah. Peace.